In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google tag with Google Ads. This tutorial will walk you through setting up a conversion action in Google Ads, which is a great way to track and optimize your ad performance for better results. First, let's get started by going to the Google Ads website. This is your hub for managing and improving your online advertising efforts. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to your account overview, where you can manage your current campaigns and dive deeper into settings and analytics. Next, from the Google Ads home, locate and click on Goals. This section helps you define what you want your ads to achieve, whether it's increasing website visits or boosting sales. After accessing your goals, you'll need to click on New Conversion Action. This step is crucial because it begins the setup process for tracking specific actions you want users to take on your website. Once you're in the conversion action setup, click on Start Tracking. Here, you'll be prompted to type in your domain. This is essentially the website you want to monitor for conversions. After entering your domain, hit Scan. This feature will analyze your website and help Google Tag Manager understand where to track your specified conversion actions. Following the scan, you'll see options related to your conversion goals. Click on Conversion Goal and then select Purchase. This is particularly effective for e-commerce sites focused on tracking sales. After clicking Purchase, you'll have another step to make a decision about, which is clicking on Select to confirm your choice. You'll notice that Google offers various conversion types, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on purchase actions. Moving on, click on Page Load. This action helps you specify when the conversion tracking should be activated based on a particular page loading, such as a thank you page after a purchase is completed. Next, click Add a Conversion. You'll then need to click on Select Category, where once again you'll select Purchase from the list of options. Now, it's time to give your conversion action a specific name. Enter the name that best signifies the conversion you're aiming for, like Completed Purchase. Once you've typed in a name, click Done to finalize this step. To save your settings, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures that all changes are applied correctly. Lastly, for implementing the Google tag, click on Google Tag. This will integrate the new tracking action you've just created into Google Tag Manager, optimizing your ad tracking tools. And there you have it, you have successfully set up a Google Ads conversion action using the Google tag. This setup is a powerful resource, helping you measure user interactions accurately and improve the effectiveness of your campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.